How to delete your CapCut account. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open CapCut application in your mobile device. Once you open the CapCut application in your mobile device, you simply want to go ahead and sign in to your CapCut account. So once you're signed into your account, go ahead and tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner. Now from here, simply tap on this three line icon at the top right corner. Now simply tap on Manage Account. And at the bottom, you'll see Delete Account. Go ahead and tap onto it. Now, in order to delete the account, you simply want to go ahead and verify that this account belongs to you. Go ahead and tap on Continue. And once you're inside this page, simply tap on Delete Account. Once you tap onto it, you'll then be able to delete your CapCut account. That's simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.